This is a real tree that's been erected in the library 5 minutes from my house, actually. I saw this on the way to my daughter's baby story time. We go once per week. We go on Wednesdays, 10 a.m. with the other mamas. We bring our babies and we listen to stories, all the moms together. And this tree was erected by the librarians. They cut the leaves. You write what you're thankful for on the leaf, and you can put it up on the tree. So I would like to take time to invite you guys to add things to your thankful trees.
Well, I'm thankful to be alive. When you get my age, you're always thankful to live another year. Right on the top of the list of mine is I'm thankful for all my friends.
Yes, I'm super thankful for the virtual ways we've made friends during the pandemic. It's been indispensable for me.
I'm thankful to the earth where we live, and
It's a good one.
I thought if we are aware of the earth that supports us, we can learn to take better care of it.
Think about all the things that are produced that people don't need, how it's being shipped everywhere, the packaging, the fuel. Oh, it blows my mind. Earth. We have to be thankful for Earth. I am so thankful for the opportunity to get together virtually with so many amazing people and to be a part of Explore Culture. Thank you for inviting me and for having me as part of your family. It's incredible how many things you guys have accomplished together, and also how we're able to, in 1 hour kind of meet and discuss a topic and enrich each other.